Hey everyone, today I'm diving into the fascinating world of AI-powered video generation. Now, if you're as passionate about tech as I am, you're going to love what I've got in store for you. We're talking about Invideo AI, a tool that's revolutionizing the way we create videos. Invideo AI is like having a professional video editor right at your fingertips. It uses advanced algorithms to turn your ideas into hyper-realistic animations effortlessly. Imagine having a storyboard in your head and seeing it come to life within minutes. Sounds cool, right? Well, it's not just cool, it's game-changing. Now let's break down how it works. First, you feed it a script or concept. You can be as detailed or as vague as you want. The AI takes your input and generates a series of high-quality clips that perfectly align with your vision. Whether you're creating content for YouTube, marketing campaigns, or just for fun, Invideo AI has got you covered. One of the standout features is its hyper-realistic style. The animations are so lifelike that it's hard to believe they're generated by an algorithm. From intricate facial expressions to fluid movements, every detail is meticulously crafted. It's like having a Hollywood-level production studio in your laptop. But wait, there's more. Invideo AI is incredibly user-friendly. You don't need to be a tech wizard to create stunning animations. The interface is intuitive with drag-and-drop functionalities that make the whole process a breeze. Trust me, if I can do it, anyone can. And for those of you concerned about creativity, don't be. The AI doesn't limit your creative freedom. It enhances it. You can tweak and adjust the generated clips to fit your exact needs. Want to change the background? No problem. Need to add some special effects? Easy peasy. The possibilities are endless. Another fantastic feature is its speed. Traditional video editing can take hours, even days. With Invideo AI, you're looking at a fraction of that time. This means you can focus more on your creative process and less on the technicalities. It's efficient, effective, and let's be honest, a lot of fun. So if you're a content creator, marketer, or just someone who loves dabbling in video production, Invideo AI is a tool you absolutely need to check out. It's not just about making videos. It's about unleashing your creativity and bringing your ideas to life in ways you never thought possible. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech insights and reviews. Until next time, keep innovating and stay creative.